Hello, fifth graders. This is Snison reading about solar energy. Solar energy is radiant light and heat produced by the sun. The sun itself is a star made up of mostly hydrogen and helium gas. It radiates an enormous amount of energy every day. It is 93 million miles from the sun. The temperature of the sun ranges from 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit at its surface to more than 18 million degrees Fahrenheit at its center. That's hot. It takes about 8 minutes for this energy to reach the Earth. Solar energy is clean. It does not pollute the air, land, or water. It also is renewable, so there is a lot of sunshine or solar energy to go around. The amount of solar energy that reaches us in one day could supply our power needs for up to 1 year. By using more solar energy, we can conserve more of our fossil fuels like coal, crude oil, and natural gas. And there's a link where I got that information. Fill in your chart about solar energy.